Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable night mode in ASUS TUF Gaming laptop. To do this, first you'll need to click on the Start, navigate to the settings, then open the system, go for the display. Right here we can find the night light that you can activate or deactivate. The other way to enable or disable it is to click on the Wi-Fi battery and sound right here, and then you should be able to find the night light right here. If not, we can edit our panel with the pen and then remove the icons. So we need to look for the night light, and then it should appear right here. We can click on done and then activate or deactivate it. Now when you enter nightlight through the settings, you'll be able to also adjust the strength, and you can schedule it for a certain time of a day right here with the hours. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.